bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin kan. Bàbá olóyin original, I'm staying at Yesota. Bàbá olóyin bus stop. Bàbá olóyin bus stop, Yesota. Today, I want to teach you how you can use these leaves. Yes, this one they call it jatofa. Jatofa leaves. Yorùbá call it ewé ìyálóde. Ewé ìyálóde. Ewé làpálàpá. How you can use these leaves for general love from people, for protection against witches and wizards. Get seated. Don't forget, I'm the publisher of all these books. African Power, Honey in Medicine, Healing Power of Honey, and Solution to Women Problems. You can get all these books as e-books on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. You can get them on your WhatsApp as e-books on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. But if you are within Nigeria, we can send the books to you through courier services if you can pay for delivery. You can even go to my agency in the town. I have branches in Lagos State. You can go to Mushin, number 4 Alukularo Street. Number 4 Alukularo Street, Mushin. We have branch at Oshodi. Number 6 Everett Way. Number 6 Everett Way, Alasia bus stop, Alasia, Oshodi. At Barika, you can go to number 36 Ilaje Road. Number 36 Ilaje Road, Barika. At Surulere, people from Lagos Island, Itire Ijesa, Sele Okota, they used to go to Surulere. Number 5C, Akerele Street Extension, opposite Power Holding, Akerele, Surulere. Number 5C, Akerele Street Extension, opposite Power Holding, Akerele, Surulere. Our products are there. You can get our books and one there. Don't forget the things I want to teach you about today. Help me share this program. If I not buy this, you are so confident. When I say Alagbara, Emma renew Gunyi, powerful people should always renew their spiritual things. If you have one product, you are using medicine. You are doing juju for people. You don't take care of yourself. You are opening road for people. You are a spiritualist or herbalist. Witches and wizards will block road for you. You will be crying like a baby. And when you begin to beg money, people will say, hey, see, maybe you call yourself herbalist. They used to block road for herbalists and spiritualists. I don't want to mess up the other part. People, they used to block. They pray for people. You don't pray for yourself very well. They block road for you. This one, our people call it ewé làpálàpá. See, ewé làpálàpá, ewé ìyálóde. You know who are those people being called ìyálóde? Ìbẹ̀yìn àgbà o. Ewé ìyálóde. People call it ewé ìyálóde. Some people call it ewé làpálàpá. Ewé làpálàpá. The English name is jatofa leaves. Jatofa leaves. Ewé làpálàpá. These leaves, when you get some quantity, maybe 3 or 5 pieces, you can get 7 pieces. But I always tell people, If you want to use leaves, don't use a broken leaves. Ewé tó ti fàya, don't use it, oh. It will not work. You can only use the leaves that are complete. Once a leaf is broken, tó ti fàya, it's useless. No amount of money they said that for you. If you go and use it, it won't work for you. Ewé tó bá ti lu sára, yóò bá lò, yóò bá lò, yóò bá lò. Right for this one, this is the fresh jatropha leaves. Ọ̀mùnú ewé làpálàpá. This is the fresh one. You can use this one as pepper soup. You can use it as pepper soup. What I mean by pepper soup is that when you get small quantity of this fresh one, very fresh, out of this big one that never developed, you can cook it with grade 1 pepper, ata ìjọsìn. Yorùbá call it ata ìjọsìn, grade 1 pepper, very small pepper. You can cook it with grade 1 pepper with snail or fish that I make catfish, either fresh or dry catfish. When you cook it and eat it, you call it àṣejẹ. Àṣejẹ. Edo people call it uwa. You eat it, you have eaten medicine for protection and general love. If you use these things, many people will begin to like you. They won't hate you again. There are some people, anywhere they go, they used to hate them. Then if you are the type that when you are going the road, you always observe cobwebs. Cobwebs. If you do this thing I'm teaching you today, you will not observe it again. When you are observing cobwebs, it is witches and wizards that are giving you signs that they want to deal with you, or they are already dealing with you. When you rent a rent house, I remember when we were at Mushin, olden days, when you greet your landlord early in the morning and landlord doesn't respond, you know it's having bad things in mind. It's ready to serve you people which notice. So you don't want to laugh with you again with that. So now, when you begin to observe cobwebs, it's a sign that witches and wizards, they are at work. So how can you stop it? This is jatropha leaves. If you can plant it in your yard, it will survive. See, if you put this one, you can plant it in your yard. I mean, those who are in a place where they can plant something, you can plant it as flowers. If you get a very big bucket, you put sand, then you put it inside it. After 5 days or 8 days, it will germinate. This one don't need water. Whether you wet it or don't wet, it will develop by itself. It's just like cassava plant leaves. Just like cassava stem. So this one, very strong. But if you have time, you can wet it once in a week or twice a week. You can put it the way you used to plant your flower. If you plant it, it will germinate. But where you can plant it on the soil, directly on the soil. Then you will be able to see the leaves anytime you need it. Now, this is cowries. Oweyo. Yoruba call it oweyo. You will just pan this one with cowrie and any white soap you like. If you don't use white soap, some people are used to, what's that again? That brown soap, you can use it. If you have white soap, Oyibo soap, you can use white soap. You will just grate this one with these leaves with soap. But if you can grate this one together, this jatropha leaves, with these cowries, 3, don't forget you are going to use 3. You will grate this one with these leaves. Then if you want to mix it with local soap, this as a guy, local soap. Then you will only mix it after you have grinded this one. You mix it with your local soap. Keep it in your house. You and your children may be using it together. Yes. It's not for only one person. 50 people can use it. So when you keep it in your house, you use it anytime you want to use it. You use with new sponge. You only use new sponge to bath. Yes, only new sponge to bath it. After bath, you throw away the sponge. Don't forget, you grind this one together. If you are going to use Oyibo soap, you can pieces that one, cut it into pieces. Add water to it. If you add hot water to it, within 10 minutes, it will get melted. Yes, it will be melted. So when you show it that it has been melted, you add the one you have prepared to it, mix it together, put it in a very good plastic, cover it. Cover it. I always tell people, if you get spiritual things, spiritual soap from herbalist, your pastors, or any other place, don't allow mosquito to come and touch it. Don't allow mosquito to come and touch it. If mosquito touch it, they may spoil the soap for you. It's one of the things we observe in my new book, African Power Part 2. Why some spiritual soap, when you collect it from herbalist or pastor, after some time, it will not work again. What normally causes it is mosquitoes. I'm just giving you a gist of what is coming in the new book, African Power Part 2. Then if you are the type that when they do juju for you, or they do soap, spiritual soap, you bath it. After 5 days, 8 days, it will stop working. What you can use to wake it up, expect me in my new book. Yes. Sometimes when they do for some people, it will work. But when they do it for you, you always complain. Anytime they give you soap again or perfume, it will not spoil again. What you will do is a simple thing. Expect it in my new book, African Power Part 2. Don't forget this leaf. Ewe lakpa. Yoruba call it ewe iyalode. Just get some quantity, like 4 or 5 like this. Grind it with 3 cowries. Mix 3 cowries with it. Grind them together. Mix it with agai. Or any other black soap you are using. Or if you are using Oyibo soap, you will just grind that white soap. First of all, pieces it. Grind it into pieces. After pieces, then put hot water or cold water to it. It will melt. When it melts, you mix it with this one. The reason why I'm teaching you is that if you want to grind this one with soap, you will not be able to grind this one successfully. You won't. This one, you want to grind any leaf with soap, it will normally give you problems. But you will grind this one. Or if you are using blender, blend it very well. Then you grind this one. This one cannot go in blender. It will not. So you will grind this one, mix it with this one, then mix it with your white soap. When you are bathing, by the special grace of God, it will work for you. Don't forget, local sponge is very important. Use local sponge to bath any spiritual things they send to you. Local sponge. Then immediately after bath, I told you earlier on, you throw that sponge away because you have removed hatred from your body. This thing that I taught you today is for protection against enemies, then for general love. When enemies are not worrying you again, you will be saved. So don't forget the phone number, the program you are watching is Kedi Show Television. Phone number is on the screen: 0810-8431-336. It's on the screen. 0810-8431-336. Then watch my other channel, Baba Oloye Original Television. Baba Oloye Original Television. Then my last born comedy, Mr. Last Born Comedy. Please help me watch that channel as well. Sometimes you see me there. I used to feature that channel as well. Mr. Last Born Comedy, Adeusi. When you press Mr. Lashford comedy, you put Adewusi, you see media, you see that Mr. Lashford. Then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you have people who always complain of money that they don't have money, that witches and wizards are worrying them too much, share this program to them. And always tell them Baba is selling books. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.